Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kovid from Askkovid YouTube channel and welcome back to another video tutorial on Python OOP programming, and this is the fourth video tutorial on Python OOP programming series. So in this video we are going to talk about Docstrings and help method. So what are those, and we will talk all about it. And if you are new to this channel, let me tell you one thing, that we make coding videos, programming videos, and programming tips and interview tips for programmers and other videos about many more, and especially we focus on Python so you can learn it very efficiently. We upload many videos on Python, and I also upload some tips video like what programming language you should choose and this Askkovid session and many more. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Okay, so let's go to this. So if you haven't seen our previous videos, go to this through the channel, and you can see I have uploaded 3 videos until now. So this is the 4th video, and in this video we are going to talk about something cool, that is Docstring. So today we'll talk about Docstring. So what is Docstring? Let us learn about it. So Docstring, it's just a documental string. Okay guys, so it's just a documental string which you can use to guide the viewers. So I have created a class over here. You can see this is the family class, and we pass name, age and gender, and we print all those. So, and let's create a docstring in class first, and the docstring in class I want to say this number of family members, and inside init I want to do initialization, and in establish I would like to write establish method. So let's put here initialization method. Okay, so let's create an object of this family class. So I want to tell this object as member1, and let's pass the class and name first. Name is Askkovid and age is 14, and gender is male. Okay, so what we need to do is to print this first one. We have to do what is member1 dot underscore doc underscore. So this is the pre-built method of underscore doc underscore. So let's run this Python, and it can take a while. Let's wait. So guys, you can see here it shows that number of family members. So this is, and what if we want to print out this? So let's know about how we can access this method here as an object. So how we can do it is, it's very simple. Object, and you can name your object as you want. Object dot and the method name, like I want to do init, so it's underscore init, dot underscore and doc double underscore. So here we have the init. So let's check and wait. So you can see here initialization method. And what if we want to do it? So go first and comment down, guys, what you should write to make this function this one. So I am going to do it. Pause the video and do it. So member one dot establish dot underscore doc double underscore. So let's check and wait. And yeah, you can see over here. So guys, over here you can see establish method. So that's kind of simple. Okay, so what if we want to create another one? So I am going to tell you another one. So let's do it. And I am going to tell you about help method. So what is that? Let's check. So member one dot help. If we do this, it will give us help. So let's check. And it's kind of simple, guys. You can learn it easily. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Over here, what happened? Just a minute, I have to figure it out. Oh, sorry. It should be help inside the, it's not method. Help and inside here member one. So that's kind of simple. I got forget it. Okay, so we have printed it. So you can see over here. You can see help on family in module underscore main object. So this says that what help you want. So it's on family class in main object. So here it's showing the skeleton of the code. So class, family, and built-in object, and that's main object already. And family has three arguments, parameters, and number of family, that is family members, and that is this. And method defines here, and these are the method defined there. And this is the this. Okay, so let's check another thing. Print help of member one, but the method inside it of init. So let's check. Let's okay, check it, check it out. And so okay, more. Okay, you can see here help on method init. So it's the help on init method in main module. Okay, so it's showing us method of family instance and all those things, and here it's showing the docstring. So simply understanding what docstring is, it's this string which represents the documents or methods or anything. This Python script, simply saying. So I wanted to tell you all about this, and thank you guys for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so that they could know how they can program object-oriented programming in Python if they are unknown about it. And yeah, I will be uploading 2 or 3 videos more on OOP, and I will be jumping over to Django framework. So if you are interested in Django framework, please comment down below. If here in this video's comment I got about 10 comments, then I will be uploading 15 or 20 more videos on Django framework. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll meet you in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.